What's up, guys? Good to see you. Jason Whitrock here at Big Tex Gym. It's Monday, it's chest day. I'm gonna take you through my full chest workout today. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna do things a little bit different than your average chest workout, meaning we're gonna start with isolation exercises. It's a technique called pre-exhaustion, where we're just gonna stimulate the chest using fly movements first. Then we're gonna move on to our compound movements and really kind of come in with the hammer. So think of it this way. We're gonna go in with the scalpel first, then we're gonna slam down the hammer and really destroy the chest. It's gonna be a good workout. I'll see you guys in the first exercise. First exercise up, we are gonna do an incline cable fly. Now I have the bench at about a 45-degree angle. Some things you wanna keep in mind here, guys. Make sure your elbows are bent. I see a lot of you guys doing flies with your elbows locked out. That's no good. First of all, it's gonna put too much stress on the shoulders. And second of all, it's just not necessary. Now listen, you wanna, as you're doing these movements, these flies, you wanna think about your chest opening up and then squeezing and contracting at the top. So I'm controlling the way down, feeling that chest stretch, keeping my chest up, shoulder blades back, and then when I come up, I'm really flexing as hard as I can at the top and then coming back down. So we're gonna do 3 sets of this. Guys, we're gonna move on to the lower part of the chest now. We're gonna hit a fly again on the cable machine, except this time we're gonna drop the bench to a flat bench, all right? That's really gonna let us hit the lower part of the chest. I wanna say something very, very, very important. That is, you must focus on the negative reps. I preach this all the time and I'm gonna continue preaching it because I keep seeing people who are just focused on the positive, then they let the negative part crash down. I'm counting off in my head about a 4 or 5 second count on the negative rep, okay? You must control the negative and the positive if you want to really get the maximum benefit. Also, for the record, studies show that on the negative, the eccentric part of the movement, more muscle damage is done during that phase than the positive phase. So keep your mind engaged on the negative and the positive. So the movement's gonna be a little different on this one. On the incline press, I was coming above my face. On this one, I wanna kinda keep it mid-line. So I wanna come on the positive part, like right in the middle of my chest. Not up here, more like down into there. All right guys, next up we're gonna do a single arm machine fly. The reason I love these is because I can really focus on the contraction right in the middle of my chest, and I'm also able to kind of come past midline like this and really get a good solid contraction right there. Things to keep in mind, like I said before, you must control the way down. Think about the chest opening up, it's stretching out, and then I'm squeezing in. Also, make sure you don't keep your elbow out like this. When your elbow goes up like that, too much shoulder. Elbow in, chest. All right guys, so now we're gonna drop the hammer and do our compound exercises. Since we're already pre-fatigued, you're gonna notice that you're not gonna be able to lift as heavy, but every one of these reps are gonna really stimulate those deep muscle fibers. That's the benefit of this. So we're going on a machine incline press. I chose to do a machine because I really wanna protect myself. Like I said, I'm already exhausted, but I wanna still be able to push it and try and lift heavy. The machine's gonna protect myself, make sure I don't snap anything up. We're gonna do 3 sets here, and we're gonna superset it with some push-ups. Now, I'm gonna do explosive push-ups off the ground. If you're kind of a beginner or intermediate, just do regular push-ups. We're gonna do 3 sets of this. Let's rock and roll. All right guys, we're gonna finish strong with a machine bench press. I have the luxury of using a neutral grip on this machine right here. I like going neutral grip because at this point, my shoulders wanna take over, and I find if you have a neutral grip, it prevents that from happening. So we're gonna do a super drop set here. So I'm gonna go really, really heavy, 4 to 6 reps. As soon as I fail, dropping the weight, going to failure again, dropping the weight, going to failure again, dropping the weight, going to failure again. No mercy. All right guys, that's a wrap on this chest workout. I hope you give it a shot. If you do, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'm standing outside one of the trainers here at Big Tech's gym's door, and I see this sign here that says, no change, no change. That basically means you gotta be willing to change, you gotta be willing to adapt, you gotta be willing to try new things if you wanna get ahead in the world. Staying the same, doing the same shit over and over and over again is gonna yield the same results. Take yourself outside your comfort zone. Get outside of that box that society wants to put you in constantly. All right, push yourself. So that's a wrap, guys. If you want, you can get the full workout program. Links in the description below. I'll give you a discount code. That code is STRONG, get you $5 off. My workout program only costs 15 bucks. I'm not trying to make a ton of money off you guys. I'm trying to push you guys to your limits. I'm trying to help you get results. And I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, keep up the good work and much love.